What is up, y'all? Norfolk Southern here, and today I have a review to show y'all. Yep, I have my very own train horns now. There they are. There's my Dominant Sharks over there. Yes, these is Vixen train horns.
Hey.
This is Josh, but I can't show him on video. But
yeah, we don't want our face to be shown. Well,
so,
yours probably been shown.
Well, this is a 12/24 volt, so I need some electrical bullcrap for this. See, look, Vixen train horns. Got this for Christmas. No, I don't want to get in trouble, dude. Here's the So there's 3 bells to this thing. Here's the bigger one. Here's the smaller one. And then, and yeah, thank you. Already got the hose thing connected to this, but we need a battery for this thing. Not like
that's
battery.
Exactly
That's yeah, that. And yeah, it's this thing that needs it. Well, this is a good review, so Norfolk Southern out.